Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News ENC channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna to show you what the difference variable type in Visual Basic Programming Language. So before I start this tutorial, I will open the notepad and I will explaining a few variable type. First is when we are using public, 2 we are using dim, and 3 when we are using private, and we can also using static. And for constanta we can use const like this guys. Okay, now before I explain what the variable type, I will create new project and I choose Visual Basic like usually. I choose Windows Form application. I give the name is variable type, for example like this guys. I click OK. Okay, before I explain or I tell in advance, I need to adding 2 items, that is one label and one button for our practice guys. So we can see the result later after we learning about variable type. This label is label 1 that I will name result guys, and the font I will change to, so I think this is not important, but this will very easier to understand if we are using item. Okay, I will change the text to show. This is the name is label 1 guys, so this is label 1 and the button is the name button 1 guys, you can see like this. Okay, after that I will double click in show, or I will view code like this guys. uh, for automatically we can double click in show to get button 1 click. Okay, first we need to know when we are using public, dim, private, or static variable type. Okay, I will give you some example like this guys. I will create public, the name of variable I will choose like this before, a1 s string guys, for example public a1 string. And number 2, we are using dim, private, and static. Dim a2 s string. Number 3, dim a oh not dim, I think it's private a2 a3, I think a3 as string, and the last we using static. Okay, static a4 as string. Now you can see here guys, before we start from public, dim and private, you can see if the static is not valid on a member variable declaration. Okay, so it's very clear and very easy. If static cannot declare out of member, okay, out of member variable declaration, so static just can only uh, declare in member. Example of member item this button, so the static is clear, cannot uh, what I mean, cannot declare in out of member or block. I think the best description, okay, is block. So static just only can like this guys. So static variable just can declare in block code or member like this guys. You can see static for a string. So we start from static for the base result guys. So for the base structure in here, so I want to use a4 equal to u or like this guys. So I will give the label one.text equal to a4. So this is a static variable guys. So you can see here, this is static variable. Okay, static variable can declare like this. You can see nothing keyword for static. So static just can declare in block code or member in member items code like this. Okay, I will try to start. We just static now and public, dim, private. I explaining after this guys. So one by one, the first is static. If I click this show, if right, this will change to UR. I will click show guys, UR. So yes, it works. So static is clear. Now you can see static variable just can declare in block code or member. Now I will delete this guys. I will delete this. For static is right. Okay, I will give a sign static. If private, dim or public, you can see guys, this is also called as local variable. This is local variable guys. variable, and for private too, also called a local variable. I think not called but type, and the public is a global variable. I will show you what the difference about global and local variable. Uh, if static in here, static a4, a4, a string guys, a string. This is we can or I can just called block or member variable like this guys. So the difference is global, local, and block variable. And for static, we already or I already explaining. So now I will try to explain from public a1 string. So I will use a1 string or a1 equal to a, for example. So label 1 dot text I will fill equal to a1. We try if public a1 string is work in here. I try guys. So the result, of course, if right is show a for result, I will click guys. Okay, right. Okay, public variable uh, can use in block code like this. So this global variable. Now I will try if a2 is also work. A2 equal to b and label 1.text equal to a and a2 like this guys. And I will try to running this project. So if public one or and dim1 and dim a2 it's work, the result will ab. Okay, it still work guys, it still work, nothing difference, but I will show you later. I'm also trying to the private. I think a3 equal to c, it still work guys. And the label 1.text equal to a1 and a2 and a3. Okay, a3. Okay, if the variable works, it will give me the result abc. So what the difference about global and local variable? I will show you later. Okay, I will click show. If the variable works, will give me the result abc. Okay, a b c. Okay guys, I will start again and showing you nothing error in here and nothing different, but I will show you in the different. Okay, this is right, still right till now. Okay, so nothing different if we are using public a1 string, dim a2 string, private a3 string. Okay, so what the difference about global and local variable? Okay, I will clear this code. I will clear this code and I will show you what the difference in the public or global variable and local variable, guys. I will cut this. I will cut, guys. Okay, and I will add class, or I can choose like this. From here, I am right click here, and okay, sorry guys, I add class in here. So I choose class 1. Okay, I'm show class variable like this, for example, and I adding these guys, and I pass the my code from here, from one, guys, to the my new class in class variable. So I will show you what the difference about global and local variable. You can see this, guys. I will import the class variable in here. Okay, imports, I think is not, no, class, what system, class, I think not. Oh, sorry guys, I'm little bit forget. Okay, sorry guys, for my bit little forget. Import variable type for my name project, guys. I'm forget. Sorry. Variable type dot variable class that I just created. Okay, variable type for my project, this, guys, and class variable is variable that I just created for you, or for example. Okay, no, in class variable you can see there is a global variable and local variable. Now I will show you what the difference, guys. The difference is, if I want to use a local variable in here, a2 and a3, I will cannot using it, because in here that is described as local variable, because we are using dim and private. So if I write, I cannot using a2 and a3, but I still can access a1 as a global variable. Okay, I will show you, guys. I will press the control button and space button for the same time. You can see I will click A. You can see this, guys. There is nothing A2 and A3, but A1 is accessible. Okay, A1, you can see this, guys. A2, nothing A2, A3, and nothing A3. Okay, you can see, guys. So I'm trying to doing like this, guys. So a1 as public variable equal to, it works, for example, like this, guys. So I will set label1 dot text equal to a1. You can see there is accessible just a1 in here, so that is different. But in here still any error, guys. Reference to an insert member requires an object reference. Okay, so non-self member, just I will adding cert in here. So cert a1 a string, and you can see the error is gone, is disappear for now. So I'm trying to start. Guys, and if I click show, if I'm right, the result must give me it works text. Okay, I click, so it works. You can see, guys. Okay, so now you can see from our practice just now, the difference is from global and local variable. You can use global variable in uh, whatever form, whatever project. It's also known in other form, class, in all of project, guys. For example, from 2 I add from 2, for example, I still can access a public variable in uh, a1. I will click this and I will click this, guys. So I will press the control and space button in the same time, and I click A. Oh, I import before. I import the class before. Import my name project. It's variable type dot equal to class variable. So I will access a variable that I create in class variable. You can see there is just a1 is accessible. So that is the difference about global and local variable. Okay, guys, now you can very clear about this. A1 equal to im, and label1.text is equal to equal to a1, I think. Like this, guys. So I will show in here, guys. I will add some code, show the form2 dot show. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm running this project. You can see the difference about global and local variable because this our practice. Okay, I will click show. It give me it works result, and open also form 2, and I will click in form 2. The result is im, like our code before. Okay, so that is this different about global and local variable. Global variable just using public, local variable using dim and private. For block variable, we can use static. And for constanta, in static uh, constanta usually for static value. So if, for example, if your name is Jonathan or John, we can just using like this, guys. Const uh, const John, cost name names like this guys, s string. Sorry guys, constanta not keyword like this, but const in here guys, const like this. For example, name as string, example equal the name is John, like this guys. So if for a static value or permanent static value, you can use constanta for using const variable like this guys, const. Okay, so I will try to give it in or adding const in button one click action guys. So label one dot text is a1 and names like this. So the result will give me it works John. Okay, I will give this space one like this guys for a better viewing. I will click. You can see it works John, and you can now. So if you are using constanta or declare value that have static value or permanent static value, you can use const keyword for declaring a variable or constanta. Okay, that's all our learning about what difference about public, dim, private, static, and const for declaring variable in Visual Basic. Okay guys, enough for now. In our next video we will try to write a little code before in advanced code. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to update our learning about Visual Basic. See you again.